Good morning, students. Okay, today let's resume our class on tense. Okay, but that day or yesterday we finished future tense, then so older tenses, but doing without exercise. Okay, today I want to give you another thing relating to tense. I think it very important. Okay. The onjalu फरायसाफोर जों दिनै grammar class खौ लादों आवगायदों नाथाय grammar निनो tense बेखौ जों मैया फोजोबबायमोन दा फोजोबदोंबाबो आरो इसे दंबावो जों एक्सारसाइज खालामाखै इसेबो एक्सारसाइजखौ खालामनोबो माने सम गैयै बादि जाबाय आङो दायो माबाखौ खालामनो सानदों नोंसोरनो मोनसे जिनिस होनो सानदों आरो ट्रान्सलेसन हा बे अनलाइन क्लास डिजिटल अनलाइन क्लासखौ बड'लेण्ड इंखं टेलिभिजनआ एरेन्ज खालामदों आङो कमलाकान्त बसुमतारी दे जोङो जुरिदिनि बे जाबाय ओरैहाय टेन्सआनो टेन्सआनो नाथाय मा बेहाय ओरैहाय common errors in the use of tense in the use of tense small talin ni sei ko in the use of tense ha this common errors in the use of tense I won't explain this very much, okay, little only, but give you note. Please note down this, okay, please note down this. Now number one errors, present continuous tense should not be used in place of present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous present perfect continuous tense. Mind it. बुझिदों ना? It is said here present continuous tense should not be used in place of present perfect continuous tense. Future indefinite tense ni bodolai future indefinite tense ni bodolai present continuous जायो बाहायो जोङो नाथाय बेहाय बुंबाय मा present continuous tense खौ present perfect tense नि बदलै लिरनो नाङा बाहायनाङा जाया बियो present continuous future indefinite tense नि थाखाय बाहायजायोब्लाबो नाथाय present perfect present perfect continuous tense नि थाखाय बाहायजाया guaranteed दाखालाम आं example लिरनि I'm working in the college for the last 5 years. We are incorrect. 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 Be incorrect. I'm working in the college for the last 5 years. I'm working in the college for the last 5 years. Be incorrect. Correct ko na ide? Ang arilin siya de correct ko. Atsa arin jangan de. I have been working. I have been working in the college for the last 5 years. Last 5 years. Basic correct. Basic correct. Present perfect continuous tense. लिरदोंमोन बेखौ लिरनांगौनि जायगायाव जुदि जोङो I'm working present continuous tense लिरोब्ला अब्ला बे गोरोन्थि जागोन present perfect continuous tense नि खामानिखौ present continuous जों फोरमायनो हाया होननानै बुंदों आच्छा मोनसे बाव मोनसे एग्जाम्पल बाव Meena is staying in business since 1990. We are incorrect. नायदो माने incorrect आं नोंसोरनो आगोलाव बुंदोंमोन जे since आरो for स्पेशली since आ perfect tense जोंल' बाहायो बे present perfect जा past perfect जा present perfect continuous जा past perfect continuous जा बे perfect tense जोंल' since आ जायो नाथाय बेहाय मा is मा नैबे is staying present continuous जादों present perfect से जानांगौ present perfect continuous किन्तु बेहाय present continuous लिरदों एखायनो बे गोरोन्थि incorrect दाना correct खौ नायदो Meena has been staying in business since 1990 này since ओजोंहाय has been staying. Present perfect continuous tense. Correct B. B into incorrect. B incorrect. B are there. Okay, let's proceed to next one. Let's proceed to next one. Second doubt. Present perfect tense should not be used for past actions. For past actions. Present perfect tense should not be used for past actions. But what we have got, present indefinite tense is used to express historical past events. Historical past events. Okay. किन्तु बेहाय मा present perfect का past action को फोरमायनो हाया. Present perfect जों past tense फोरमायनो नाङा. दे example 1. I have visited Shillong. I have visited Shillong last year. Incorrect भी है. Incorrect है. यहाँ मा दङ last सोदोब दं last year बाथाय generally बे past tense बुजायो. Past time बे last past time adverbial जायो. समनि आगोलाव थायोब्ला. नाथाय ओरैहाय जाबाय have visited present perfect. बेथ गोरोन्थि जागोन. जोङो historical past event खौ present indefinite tense आव फोरमायनो हायो. नाथाय any past event जों बेखौ मा present perfect आव फोरमायनो हाया. बेखायनो बे गोरोन्थि. करेक्टा नैबेसो मा जानांगौ बियो past indefinite tense जागोन. simple past. I visited Shillong last year. Be correct. Be correct. Be. Number two नहीं दिया रे. My father has died. My father has died. My father has died 3 years ago. 3 years ago. Incorrect be. Be incorrect. Mana incorrect nahi de. Behind 3 years ago. Maybe ago sodoba. Ago sodoba specially past tense नहीं था कहीं. Ago जेराव दङ बे past tense जानांगोन अबेबा मोनसे past tense जानांगोन generally past indefinite tense हा दा इहाय मा लिरदों present perfect tense लिरदों होमबाथ' गोरोन्थि बियो गोरोन्थि दे होमबा कारेक्टखौ नायदो कारेक्टखौ my father died 3 years ago. Correct. Be correct. Be. My father died 3 years ago. Past indefinite tense, simple past tense. Ago, past time adverbial. Goodbye. Sabay. Okay. Let's proceed to third one. Kesalaki deh, bujinan naja. Number 3. Future indefinite. Future indefinite tense should not be used in imperative sentences. Sabadande imperative sentence. Imperative sentence Frau. Imperative sentence Frau Majwa future indefinite tense বা simple future tense बाहायो. मा जायो imperative sentence generally by usually present indefinite tense. In such cases, only simple in such cases only present indefinite tense must be used. Hey, bear. Examples. You must see that the amount shall be paid soon. Shall be paid soon. Be incorrect. It is incorrect. Okay, let's see. What is the tense you see here? Sentence is imperative. And tense is here. You must see that the amount shall be paid soon. Shall be paid soon. Idin nalguin. Be a future. Abimadaka. Masya. Masyama. Now the future indefinite tense should not be used in imperfect sentence. With the imperfect sentence are behind ma future indefinite tense. But be incorrect. Now the correct code. Correct idea. Be one day. Example 1. Example 1. You must see that. Be agalni susaveni bi japai principal clause the amount. Be future indefinite tense ko mau lihat nang jenge present indefinite jauh seli nang is paid soon. Is paid soon. Nodam. Be correct. Correct here. You must see that the amount is paid soon. Future no. Future indefinite no. Present indefinite. Acha manse bau. Manse bau. Day. Take care that you will not be late. You will not be late. Be incorrect. Future jakem ba. Ajang hai be important sentence. मतलब be future होने या guarantee. Naitini. Take care that you are not late. Na, munti kita deh, sabaran. Munti kita jabai ma, siapa future. Actually, kamania future usi jagan. Future ni kita kusip mungkin. Future ni kita kusip mungkin bapa present indefinite tense. Nahi. You are not late. Future ni kita kusip bung nejaring. Present indefinite tense. Jom thấy không mình khá bài agel present indefinite tense jeng future ni maba kau permainnya haya dana breaky ha. Fourth. When there is a main clause with a simple future, with a simple indefinite future, the subordinate clause must be in the present and definite only. Example number 1, I shall tell you about it when I will know the truth. In C. Incorrect. Here incorrect. Correct không này chứ? Correct không? Ma, I shall tell you about it when I will know I know the truth. Be correct. Kecuali incorrect. I shall tell you about it when I know the truth. B. I shall tell you about it when I will. Menebu future. Bebu future. B principal clause. B subordinate clause. Menebu future indefinite. Anda bidi jaya. Mata nanggan. Biar unni clause subordinate clause. Mata nanggan. Present indefinite tense jananggan. Acha mansi bau. Mansi bau. Naide. If you will laugh at her, she will be angry. She will be angry. Incorrect here. Này dia. Ne will be angry na. Future indefinite. Subordinate clause out. Mapa principal clause out. Ada hai. Này dia. Subordinate clause out. Future indefinite. Menebu future indefinite. Natai bema ne bia if clause nalai subordinate clause. If you laugh at her, she be future antagan. Be future antagan. She will be angry. She will be angry. Maybe correct. Kesat habai na? Te angge menberi hena habai? Menberi hena habai? Ada menai sedongbawa beko जों मालाबा सावरायसिगोन दे समबो गैला एखायनो जों दिनै क्लासखौ बेहायनो दोनथ'दिनि लेट आस स्टप हियार थैंक यू वेरी मच